Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So onto this video, as you can see in the title, we're going to be testing out this RIPCLEAN carpet extractor using their hose and everything you need to use with your, let's say, your Home Depot vacuum. This is a wet vacuum, wet and dry, so you can use them with both. You just got to make sure you get the wet filter for that thing, but this should all just connect to that and a water hose line for just to make sure everything just so you can connect everything to that. So we're just gonna test it out and see if it works, because I've been wanting to get something like this for the WRX, and I didn't want to spend the $500. If this doesn't work out, honestly, I'm down $200 now, but I don't want to spend the $500 on one of those extractors that they sell online. So we're just gonna use what we have here, is this vacuum here. All right guys, so out of the box, yeah, you get your hose, you got your water line hose. This connects to your tap water, so that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try to see and get a quick disconnect and put it on here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try, just so I could connect it to that hose, and then if this hose isn't long enough, I can just, but yeah, it comes with this hose to connect to this, screw it on, and this goes on your vacuum. So let's just go ahead and let me show you guys what I'm gonna do real quick, and then test it on the carpet, see if it works. All right guys, well, I got everything all set up, got the line on the water, and then this thing right here, and then we're just gonna check out these carpet. I mean, these seats are pretty stainy. I'm just gonna make sure. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it on camera, but I'm gonna try to see and get those stains off. All right. All right, guys. Well, I think that's good. I think you did a good job getting all this cleaned up. Honestly, and it's an easy way to just, if you already have a shop vac, might as well use that to extract water from your seats and stuff. And you want to clean your carpets and stuff. I think it definitely extracts. It works great. You just gotta agitate it before, just so you can get some of the dirt stains off and stuff. I'm using PNS interior cleaner. It's like a stain remover kind of thing, so it works pretty. Been using that for a while, so yeah. Now I can just use the extractor to get all this water stuff off and get these seats all cleaned up, because they were very dirty. They had a bunch of stains everywhere, especially the front seat there, but it did a good job. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I have the extractor here. I did buy a little hose holder. I think I'm gonna put it right here or something, just to have it all nice and neat, because right now it's just there. And then the shop vac, I think I'm just gonna put it right here next to this vacuum, get rid of all this crap here. But yeah, overall it did a good job. I think it did its job for what it is. And yeah, I can't wait to use it on the STI, like I said. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on just something that I wanted to show you guys what I got, to see if you guys are interested. You know, anything that has to do with cars, I'm gonna record. So yeah, if you guys like more of this kind of stuff, let me know. But yeah, I got this going now. So I got the extractor, I got the obsessed garage. I wish this was a wet and dry vacuum, but it's fine. As a dry vacuum, it works freaking amazing. Not saying that the shop vac didn't do a good job, but having the hose reel and this on the wall just kind of cleans everything up. But as I talk, I could have just not have that and just have that and use it for both vacuuming and extracting water. But no, it is what it is. I wasn't thinking of buying that, but since I already had the vacuum, might as well use it. It holds 5 gallons of water, so yeah, definitely works great, and it did its job. So yeah, but overall it's a good vacuum, and if you have one, it works great for extracting and vacuuming. So it does both great on both it does great on both worlds. You just got to make sure you get the water filter for water and then the dry filter for the dry. So yeah, overall that's pretty much it. Just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all this mess, because like I seen in the last video, I did get new age drawers here, and they took up a lot of room, and I couldn't use the other cabinets that I had already. So yeah, just gotta get rid of all this pile that I have in this corner now and figure out how I'm gonna do this. But yeah, overall works great. Just I need to get some cabinets, like I said, wall cabinets, so I could put most of the stuff in there, especially like the cleaning stuff, and they'll be up there. And then this will probably be up there too, and then this will be in the corner, and then those wheels will go back up there, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of the stuff here. But overall it looks good. And I did pick up a steam cleaner. I just haven't done a video on that one, but that one works out great too, just for steam cleaning, especially for like stains and stuff. And yeah, I've used it a couple times on the STI, and it has cleaned the Alcantara pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's just go ahead and end it there, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.